TSplus Server Monitoring training courses are designed to provide a comprehensive set of learning modules for users who want to maximize their use of the software. Intended participants: all professionals in charge of system and network administrators, IT consultants, IT managers, performance analysts, cloud service providers, IT infrastructure managers, managed service providers, MSPs, operations managers, support technicians, network engineers, cloud architects, IT outsourcing services. TSplus Server Monitoring Training, à la carte. Choose only the modules which match your learning goals. With our targeted tutorials, you can become an expert in TSplus Server Monitoring, make the most of its features, and optimize your use of the software. Choose the lessons that best suit your needs, and progress at your own pace. This course includes the following modules: Introduction, explore TSplus Server Monitoring. Module 1, Initial Configuration. Module 2, Manage servers and websites. Module 3, Manage report features for servers and website. Module 4, Manage server monitoring settings. You will receive your TSplus Server Monitoring Expert Certificate when you have validated all the do modes of the sequences that are marked with Receive a grade. How to get TSplus certification? Step 1. Collect badges for each successfully completed module. Do mode for each module is required. Step 2. A certificate, after reaching the score of 80%, will be offered for download. Wrestlers who obtain this certificate are certified by TSplus. Your training can work flexibly according to your own schedule and at your own pace. Each training session, you pick up where you left off. Take a look at how to navigate the site.